Hey all, welcome back to my channel Swati Saj Creations. Today's recipe is jacket potato. Let's see how I make. Heat the pan, put 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree. Add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Now mix well. Add 1 can of baked beans. Mix well. Take 1 baked potato, cut into half. Be careful, it's very hot. Just poke it well with the knife or the fork. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. Equally divide and just poke it well. Let it sit inside the potato. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Now cover the potatoes with the baked bean puree. Make sure the potatoes are not visible. Now put some green bell pepper. Some boiled sweet corn and grated cheese. After putting the grated cheese, just sprinkle some red chili flakes. Put this plate in microwave for 30 seconds and you are ready to go. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the future notification. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you like my recipes, please do share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.